What's going on, guys? SRT Boost here, and obviously by the cinematics that you just saw, you know what I'm sitting in. Everybody's basically online. Everybody says that this is kind of like the TRX's younger brother. I wasn't planning on spending $150,000 on a TRX. It's not happening. Not for a work vehicle. Anyways, so I am sitting in the Ram 1500 GT. What makes this different from the other Rams is that it comes with this beautiful like Ram Air intake system that's mounted on top of the motor, and it's got a factory Mopar exhaust. And best of all, look, no dial. Oh, no way. Check that out. We have a shifter here. Check this out. Look at that. And you got your shifter, which is mint. Come on. How can you complain about that? Got wonderful charging docking station here, and check out this beautiful screen. It's a 12-inch display. Friggin' like sick. And I got paddle shifters on here too, which is also a riot. But you know me, I'm more of the shifter guy. But anyways, even just the whole layout of the way the screen looks, like, you know, your gauge cluster here versus what I had before. It's like even check out the seats. Like, it's got your GT emblem here, so it's basically TRX seats. So it's all leather. Then you got like suede inserts over here, if you can see it, and the back seat is basically the same. So yeah, it's a gorgeous truck. I know people say, oh, you don't have the storage here. You know what? Good. It's better, because less junk is better. You don't need all of that shit that you would typically throw in there. Like, no, you don't. Cup holders and some phone storage, and look. Nice little spot for my lighter right here. Yeah, see that? That's great. The new guy. So, you know me, I can't keep anything stock, so eventually some more stuff's coming, but I'll keep you guys updated with that. But without further ado, let's go for a rip. So yeah, it does have a nice growl to it as you're driving. Like the 5.7s, just like my Challenger, it's well, that one was a 6.1 stock, but they kind of ultimately have the same sound to them, which, oh, I think I just ran over a pothole there. Oh well, shit happens. Anywho, so yeah, they're great. This thing has the motor is an ETorque. So basically it's, I want to call it a hybrid, but it's like not being used in that eco-friendly way. It's like kind of like an electric supercharger that is mounted on your motor, and for the dead spot, you know, at the beginning there, it kind of really helps out. Let me take off traction control there, and I'll let one hang here. It just peels out, just goes. Look at that. Like, you know what? Honestly, compared to my old Ram Laramie that I had, same motor, that thing did not move like at all. This thing is actually a riot to drive for a pickup truck. Like, I am extremely happy with this vehicle, honestly. Coming from my last vehicle, the Durango, the SRT Durango, which I do miss, but this, for what I do, you know, on a day-to-day basis, is obviously much better for me. Originally, this was the truck I was supposed to get, and it was unfortunately it was sold before I went to get it, and I ended up grabbing the Durango, because yeah, who knew, right? Anyway, so yeah, this truck is like a lot. Oh, look at that, the Durango driving by. Oh, that was a cop too. Oh, okay, well, no, he's not turning around. That's great. But it's a fun truck. I really enjoy it, and it needs to be a little bit louder for sure. I need to see what I can do with the air filter in that Ram Air intake. maybe open the motor up a little bit more, like for the sound. And apparently it's got a really good one in it already. It's not your typical paper filter. But then again, I haven't opened it up, so we'll see. You know, what people say online is, you know, take it with a grain of salt, right? As they say. So, but yeah, anyway, I thought I'd, you know, bring you out for a little rip, and we'll see where the road takes us. So, I'm just happy I'm doing the big reveal. Oh yeah. Ontario Northland. That's weird. Just like a travel destination Greyhound style bus, or I don't know. Oh, look at that, a red light. Well, please hold. Alright, I'm back. That friggin' light kind of took a little bit of time, so yeah. Well, what gear are we in here? Let's see. Third. I'm doing the manual shift thing here, so it's, you know what? I kind of want to send one here, right? So yeah, you know what else is cool? The rear end on this thing is the same as my Challengers. I think it's like a 392 or a 292, something like that. I'm not exactly sure right at the moment which gearing system it is, but it's something with a 92. Anyway, which makes it like really kind of, you know, jump, right? Here, let's send one. Ready? And 3, 2, 1, go. Fuck yeah. Yeah, like this thing goes, man. It goes. That eTorque motor is pretty sick. I'm not gonna lie. And apparently, if you get a custom tune, like if I go to my guy Tony there, he's all about the HP tuners. If I slap it on the dyno, you throw a set of long tube headers and a true dual exhaust. Like these things are actually making pretty good jam. Like I don't want to promise any numbers or anything like that, but like out of the box, this thing as it sits, like the eTorque by itself, I think makes about 350 to the wheels, not to the crank. So that means like a 50 horsepower from the crank to the wheels difference, which is actually incredible considering it's a massive truck, right? So now slap that, the exhaust that I have already on it, that came from factory. You know, we're gonna say the Ram Air, I am always and always will be about Ram Air. So
canceled.
All right, cool. Picked up my voice. Anywho's, I've always been like, you know, huge advocate for Ram Air systems, like one with naturally aspirated, because like it's always going to make you good power no matter what. So like I've had it on a couple of my NA cars way back and when, and you know, messed around quite a bit with that, and I know it, you know, makes a big difference. So let's say this thing, you know, from 350, it's maybe sitting at 345, or I went backwards. Okay, let's say it's sitting around 365 to the wheel. Okay, let's put it this way. Way back when I first got my Challenger, and I put, what did I have? I think I had long tube headers and an intake in my exhaust, and I got it dyno tuned. It went, and again, that's with a neg 1 transmission. It was stock, right, before I put the Big Mama in there. Anyways, I went from like 330 horsepower all the way up to 375 to the wheels. Again, not crank power, wheel power, right? And that was just with the tune, exhaust, and intake. And that was on my Challenger, which came with 424 horsepower. So I find that to be kind of interesting. Again, that this thing made 350 plus whatever I said, so we're going to say 365, right? I think that's a fair assumption. In a pickup. So I'm looking forward to seeing, like, with long tube headers, full exhaust, all that, proper intake, whatever, what it's going to do. And that's exciting. So anyway, we'll cross that bridge when we get to it. I feel like I'm rambling on. I don't know, I have an obsession with long tube headers. I can't help it. Is that a cop? No, it's not a cop. Okay, let's pass this guy. This is driving like he's driving Miss Daisy. For all you youngsters, you don't know what that is. It's actually a movie about a driver that's driving Miss Daisy, girl in the back seat, older lady. Anyway, so that's where kind of that saying comes, because, you know, he's driving slow, and yeah, so you say, oh, what are you driving, Miss Daisy? Boom, there it is. So yeah, 2025. I hope, you know what, I hope everybody's doing really good, and I hope you guys are enjoying my videos still. I'm enjoying doing them for you. I'm just doing me, that's it. Just with the camera, except now I have this new toy to have some fun with. All right, what do you think? Should we hang one here or what? I think we should hang one. Let's friggin' downshift. Here we go. 7, 6, 5, 4. Oh. Yeah, should we get down to 3 too? Yeah, we should, shouldn't we? Here we go. Here's the 3. That's hilarious. This 8-speed transmission is incredible. Fucking incredible. Like, this thing feels very similar to the SRT Durango, which I cannot believe because of the size difference of these two vehicles. So obviously that the SRT Durango handled much better, because I mean, it was we're gonna call it track oriented, and this not so much. Got a lot of body roll, yeah, but still fun to hammer. And you know what, it fucking sounds good, man. It sounds good. Like, it doesn't sound like your typical Ram. You know, when someone puts, like, you know, slap a Flowmaster on it or something like that. It does not sound like that. And I think it's because the intake, again, right? Makes the motor open up a lot differently with sound. So, yeah, I don't want to go too fast around this shit. This is just a pickup. A fun pickup. Let's send it. Ah! Yeah, you know, it's funny. There isn't that many Ram GT videos online. And apparently this is a very rare truck. It's hard to get. And that's why when I saw it pop up, I was like, yeah, I'm getting it. I'm getting it. Oh, I am still getting it. So I freaking, the next day after I messaged the guy. And great salesman. Anyways, yeah, made the deal that day. Got one hell of a discount on it. It was great. So, oh, look at that. Someone made some S lines over there. Looks like, was it me? Maybe. The Challenger. Could have been. I don't know. But I've done some drive-bys on that one. So. Yeah. yeah, anyway, as I was saying, it's like it's rare you can find that many videos on besides dealerships, you know, making videos. There's nobody doing like, you know, a POV. Let's go for like a real drive. Like, you guys, you really want to fucking hear about the stereo and every little stupid thing that's, you know, there's like a gazillion things. There's other videos for that. That will not be in this video. Because, you know, this was filmed in Mexico. I'm in Mexico right now. I'm totally not in Canada, for sure. Right? And everything you saw before was all CGI and AI and super AI and all that other fun stuff. So, yeah. So, anyways, guys, I do hope you enjoyed the video. I'm gonna cut it here, and yeah, if you're new to the channel, I mean, shoot me a like, a dislike, whatever you like. If I was terrible, if I was good, it's up to you. Either way, I just hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope you like the new truck, because I sure as hell do. And there will be plenty more footage coming. So it's the new year, and got lots of new fun stuff coming. So anyways, guys, I will see you in the next video. All right, take care. Don't forget to like and subscribe also with that. All right, bye.